Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to 2FAST4UVID 619. So, you might be wondering, where the hell are you? So, let me explain. So, today, me and YM are going out to a place called Star City in Birmingham, which is quite a famous attraction. And, I was thinking we should maybe make a video, and, couldn't make it for Thick Squad because it's only me and YM. And, so I decided, why not make a video for 2FAST4UVID 619? Besides, we haven't uploaded in quite some time, so I was like, yeah, this is a great opportunity. So I think we're gonna go and we're gonna be bowling, we're gonna be eating out, and possibly do some other things. I know you're gonna be saying, this is a car channel, what the hell are you doing, like making that video? But we'll try and squeeze some cars in as well. You know, it's a famous attraction. Surely there's some cool cars out there. So YM actually doesn't even know that I'm doing this right now. He doesn't expect me to be doing that, so he's gonna be surprised. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. And before we start, just make sure you subscribe and like down below, and share this video with your friends, family, and anyone you know, really. And let's try and get to 70 subscribers by the end of this year. That's our goal, yeah. And yeah, let's get into it. So guys, I'm about to leave now. We'll get their suit. So yeah. Alright guys, so we just made it here. Met up with YM. Introduce yourself.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on
I already introduced. So now we've met up. We went to check out the bowling, and it turns out we can't book before 8 o'clock in the night. So now we're gonna go.
By the way, if you're wondering, it's like 3 o'clock right now, so we're not waiting until 8 o'clock for you, so we can do a bowling video for you.
Now we're gonna go and eat out, and yeah, let's see what we find in it. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so.
Guys, we're back. Guess
where? Shit on again.
You know what? I've never been here before. It's kind of a nice place.
Definitely not in the Thick Squad video. Hopefully this time it will go better than last time.
Listen, this is all the quicker than last time. And those haven't been from Italy too.
And yeah, so we'll update you on once the food arrives. So yeah. After this, we're probably gonna go arcade or something.
For you, like, it will be like once until the food arrives. It will be 1 hour for me, unfortunately. They're gonna take his time with it, so yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see in it.
Evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's me again. This segment that you're gonna watch of the video now is just gonna quickly show you how long Haydar took to order his food. Haydar doesn't know that I recorded, by the way. Haydar, have you decided what you want yet?
Sure. Half a chicken is 7 pounds. Yeah, I'm having half a chicken.
About just over half the time you took last time. Now where's the waiter? Okay, let me just stop. I'll record him on. So guys, we've just finished ordering. Haydar, what have you got to say?
Oh, you're actually doing it? Yeah, so just ordered it, yeah. And I took last time. And yeah, the food should be coming soon, hopefully. And yeah, that's it. And also, I know we haven't uploaded much, but as I said, we're busy. But we're trying to do some stuff. Hopefully, go check out the Jafar and Jamil as well. It's gonna be out on the YouTube, the season finale, by the time this video comes out. And yeah, that's it really. And subscribe to YM, as I mentioned as before as well. Link will be in the description below. So
Thank you. You know who's putting the link in the description? Me. Yeah, that's me. Because Haydar don't know how to edit, and Haydar don't know how to...
self shout out basically.
But yeah, guys, another thing we were going to say as well is that my hair looks really good today, and another thing that we were going to say is enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah, we'll talk to you next when we get our food, which will probably be in the next hour. So yeah, that was nice. Go ahead. So guys, we are back in our favourite place in the world.
It's not the best.
And this is Haydar trying J2O for the first time.
It's actually not the best.
Best gun.
The straw's dipped in, so I can't even have it.
As you can see, there's all the food. I done it really bad. I did a cam mango really bad, but yeah, that's all the food. That's Haydar's
Oh,
J2O.
bismillah will walk.
And yeah, so we'll catch you later.
I asked for chili fries, you gave me normal one.
Welcome back, guys. We have a big second roll. Welcome back, guys. We are back. You can barely see our faces. There you go. Still chilling here. Anything else? The food was good, expensive but good. And now we're going up to the arcade. We got up to this point literally last time as well, the logic circle. Up to this point literally last time, and then we saw a huge queue. So let's just hope we don't see that again today. No, we don't. Let's go.
So guys, we just finished. I think YM's gone home, and I'm just here. Let's look around in the car park. Let's see what cars go past, and hopefully there might be something interesting. Fingers crossed, and yeah, let's see. That's a decent Mercedes right there. Yeah, and nice. Not bad at all. That's decent. I mean, nothing crazy. Nice BMW right there. I mean, that right there is not bad either, to be honest. Kind of cool. BMW again. Look at that. Alright. Mercedes. Why not include that as well? If we go forward, like, look at that right there. That's an alright bit of K, isn't it? Look at that Audi. That Mercedes isn't bad either. Looks alright. That's alright. Another Mercedes. Audi. That's a cool thing as well. Alright, so guys, to end off, I know it's a bit late. We're both home now. It's now sort of 9:30. Yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog off because I forgot to do that, and we didn't do an outro. So hope you enjoyed the vlog. And YM, do you have anything to say?
No, I hope you lot enjoyed. It was a good collaboration with. Okay, not a collaboration. All of Haydar's videos have got me in it.
And, you know, comment down below if you like the stuff. We'll do some more as well, especially the car spotting. If you like that, we could surely arrange to do something like that. And yeah, before we do the outro, make sure you subscribe to YM Sports and YM Plays.
And also, and I'm just gonna point out the views on the Toyota Prius Plus car review. 388 views. Unbelievable.
Yeah, let's try and get this somewhere close to that.
Yeah, here we are. But yeah, 2FAST4UVID. Hopefully more videos to come. We've been very inconsistent on videos lately. There was going to be a Honda Civic car review. However, the files on the Honda Civic car review got corrupted.
Are you joking?
I told you that before.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. You probably forgot. I told you that before, but yep, they all got corrupted, so we have to record that again. So that will take a bit of time. But yeah, other than that, anything else to say that?
No, that'll be it for today, and hope you lot enjoyed. Stay safe and stay blessed. 2FAST4UVID 619 and
YM Sports.